Selena Gomez's birthday cake was Jack in the Box tacos. Yes, that's exactly what she said on her Instagram back in July 22, 2013, on her 21st birthday. At the time, her friend Francia posted this other pic of Selena holding her taco cake, although it kinda looks like a taco platter. But this got me thinking, tacos as a birthday cake? How about we build a taco cake like this? That's what I'll show you in this quick and easy DIY birthday cake idea, simply using Jack in the Box tacos. First, head to a Jack in the Box location, and all you'll be ordering is their 2 tacos. The more you buy, the taller the cake will be. This video is being posted on July 22, 2022 on Selena Gomez's 30th birthday. So in honor of her 30th, I'll order 30 tacos, which is 15 orders of the 2 tacos. On the menu here, it's $1.79 for 2 tacos. Who remembers when they were only 99 cents for 2? My total came out to $26.85. With tax, it came out to $29.60. That's just under $1 per taco. Got all 30 tacos. They put 10 in each bag. Now on to building this taco cake. So 2 tacos will make 1 layer. You just layer 2 tacos flat side by side to form a circle. And then layer the next 2 tacos 90 degrees the other way like this so it balances out. And keep layering and rotating each layer till you use up all your tacos. And that right there is 15 layers of tacos, 2 tacos per layer. In each taco, there's beef, shredded lettuce, and melted cheese. Now time to add the birthday candles. It pokes through fairly easy. And this is how you make a Jack in the Box taco cake. Now light up those candles and let's sing happy birthday.